Welcome to the world of Arihant Polymer Extrusions, where we've been profiling the future in plastics since 1989. With innovative solutions for more than 10 different industries, we contract manufacture over 4,000 tons of extruded products for our customers spread across 3 continents every year. With our capabilities of polymer extrusion, injection molding, and value-added services, we offer a wide range of customizable manufacturing services with an end-to-end implementation strategy for our customers, which enables them to maximize and realize the total value of their products in the markets. Our customers all over the world trust our advanced infrastructure, international quality standards, research and development capabilities, and proactive investments into an efficient and sustainable future. Let us help you design better, manufacture better, deliver better. Arihant Polymer Extrusions since 1989.